Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to save Microsoft Word document as PDF. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your MS Word file. Then having opened up your MS Word file, next thing you need to do is to simply go to File from the top right here, click on File, and it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to Save as PDF. Then this is going to pop up. You can simply name your file right here, and then by default you have PDF. Next thing you need to do is to simply choose the destination where you want to save the file. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Then simply come down below right here and click on save. So just like what you see right here, Adobe PDF Maker. So it's as simple as that, and then automatically it's going to load the Adobe file. So let's take a look at the preview. Here we go. So we have it now in Adobe PDF format. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to save your MS Word file as a PDF file without any stress. So you can see the PDF file right here. So this is the MS Word and this is PDF. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.